Mancho Margelia, nebiro binde nende tokomera na semesa ya mangana maya ngo kwaligani bene ilinde ngomanya senchira yowinge gochaka bono iga goika omoelio mancho mulie nabakwenda kutobwatia sensemo chichi mitandao sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net iritere Kerubo Fridah nuliokanike mna chivi channel yogide gukira sora senchira ya benene relide mose bakubwatirana nere masela nyanchira tuskato nyegera kwirana ndasege keke Kerubosio elinde tabeto gusanga amange. Gokwariga bene ilinde tabeto gusanga sobwamo gochaka bono igago ika omoelio kwecha kama yaye bire bigani otukwechaka kurasi county ya Nyamira asingo komenya bana nigo abananchi basemirwe kwebwatania no morobilio omuyabo koena na obugwene gosekwenyorero obugwene inseye keganja yasha gakubasegeta abananchi Chinsa chiri cyanyangongo sub location sub county ya Masava North nigo Stella Owanyela abaga koene kenigo morobilio rachikoba kogosira abange anene ase okwenyorera obogwenia kulinde ningabananchi baba ko boligwa gwesokia asobonge nabo kweneke na babire bakwelikia
mweze kujisajili kupitia kwa star 147 hash kwa simu yako tu. Kama uko na simu itakupatia maelekezo vile utaenda. Ukimalizana na pale unaweza enda kwa cyber ili uweze kuupdate family members wako, beneficiaries na wewe mwenyewe na details zako zingine. Lakini kwanza tunataka watu wajisajili na hiyo star 147 hash kupitia kwa simu. Kuna mambo mengi tu ambayo SHA itaangalia. Wame-enhance zile services zenye NHIF imekuwa ikipeana. Wale wamekuwa wakijilipia 500, mnajua kuna services gani mmekuwa mkipata. Sasa kwa hivyo saa hii si 500 ni 300 kwa kila mtu. Kwa mtu kuanzia 25 years kuelekea juu, hata kama una kazi unajikakamua unapata huduma bure kwa health center na kwa dispensary, huduma bure. Wakikurifaa ndio sasa NHIF SHA itafanya kazi. Lakini kuanzia leo kama umejisajili ukienda pale health center, dispensary unafaa kutibiwa bure. So serikali inataka kukaza kabisa ihakikishe hizo dispensaries ziko na madawa ya kutosha na ukienda pale unapata huduma. Kwa hivyo tujue kwamba hata wamama wenye wanajifungua kuna linda mama imekuwa enhanced.
Oro afya yangu.go.ke erinde munyale kwa register ezerikali nyaleko babika somurobelio ngoko bekwa ase program yo gokorerwe emirimo emiya asinyagitari na ende monyore nga bakurukwa nga community workers promoters na ubono ba qualify gochia ese dispensary gose ba qualify gochia ase sub county hospital onyore ko balivat do county level or the national level.
Asige karo kia bene kikiaba kego kolekana sensemeri ya Senate chinga kiaba seneta abagani kumanya igoro yomurobelio o e-citizen anene asensemeri yobokoreri we serikali nigo omo seneta we county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna abaga kubuli amabuli alengete wizara nsemeri yobochenu anene asokwelikia omurobelio omuya anene gosika kurwa sensemeri ya NHIF gochia sensemeri ya SHIV nigo bagania mwaziri w'ikiganja gya serikali kwireneria amabolyo yo nabo yokoba manyaso bwagale igoro yobokoreri bwa e-citizen.
Very well, Honorable Speaker. It's just that out of abundance of caution, we require that people be put under oath for the truthfulness to come out. It's a terrible time for truthful men. Honorable Speaker, the question to the Cabinet Secretary responsible for the National Treasury and Economic Planning. Number one, what has occasioned the failure by the e-citizen digital platform to process and reflect payments made to some institutions such as the National Health Insurance Fund. This is a defunct NHIF, Honorable Speaker, and could the Cabinet Secretary explain steps taken to remedy the situation? Number 2, where does the convenience fee charged and all other payments that fail to reflect on the platform end up? Thirdly, Honorable Speaker, could the Cabinet Secretary report on the safety, efficiency, efficacy and reliability of the eCitizen digital payment platform in light of the numerous complaints of delays and technical issues that followed the onboarding of significant number of government services?
Omowaziri w'ekiganja gya serikali John Badini go emambia lera bakagwikirana bosi bwe senate ase okwerera asubwagale kubwatikana n'obukoleri bw'ensemeri ya eCitizen nonye nabo nigabaga kwendekebna nigo eCitizen yabereke gokonya eserikali kubwatikana n'obukoleri bwabo anene asenekebna kurwa ogachageti gose kuru mutandao yo eCitizen yogachagetigwe nigo obukoleri bwabere bwogokina kurwa chimi sato emerongo kianda na Isano na Ibere oika chiribu ikomi na Isano na mononye nabo nigabaga kwenekya emechando yaberige kwenekigwa asobutumikibwo mutandao yo singaki abaga kwenekya serikali yaberige kwerobelya bwekirano elindego kya korobya omorobelyo.
Would the Cabinet Secretary report on the safety, efficiency, efficacy and reliability of the eCitizen digital payment platform in light of the numerous complaints of delays and technical issues that followed the onboarding of a significant number of government services on the platform? Mr. Speaker, again, this is my response. The eCitizen platform has witnessed tremendous growth owing to the onboarding of over 16,000 services from the previous 397 services, especially with the coming in of the new government in 2022. The services increased from 397 to 16,000. The rapid growth came with a lot of challenges to the platform, which the multi-ministerial team has been able to address. The multi-ministerial team comprises of the National Treasury, Ministry of Interior, and Ministry of ICT and Digital Economy. So far, through the Ministry of ICT and Digital Economy, as the technology advisor and implementer, the platform information security has been built and implemented to ensure it is secure against cyber terrorism, hacking, and compromises which are likely to disrupt the provision of services to the eCitizen. The eCitizen platform has withstood several cyber attempts made by hackers, with efforts arising from continuous platform vulnerability risk assessment. The multi-ministerial team has Security Operations Center, SOC, which continuously monitors status of systems and applications and ensures any attacks is responded to immediately. There were some challenges encountered during the rapid onboarding of the services. However, the eCitizen has been able to address significant portions of those challenges to stabilize the platform. Currently, the platform is very robust and has immensely improved service delivery to citizens, processing approximately 120.
Abamenyi korwa sensemo ya daraja mbili nigo babere bagwesoke bene nabo igo kogikelia ebikorwa byoboibi nabo igo obusagani asi Chinsa okwana nabaliki bamangana nigo babolire abanyanyimbo kurase county ya Kisii kweneke bunango tinyabale obulendi asi Chinsa anena kero babere bakoerera ebikorwa byoboibi ebyabere bikubabolia omolembe anena sege korwa kebeteke gokolekana obutuko bugukira lero.
Usiku mwendo wa saa 9 tulivamiwa na wezi ambao walikata kufuli kwenye mlango, wakaingia, wakaanza kuiba, wakatoa TV, wakatoa vitu zingine kama pasi, wakachukua radio. Walipokuwa wanaendelea kuiba, kuna msichana tunayekaa naye, msichana wangu akawasikia, akaanza kupiga nduru, tukatoka, sukuma milango, wakatoka mbio, lakini wakafaulu kuenda na vitu zingine, wakatokomea kwa giza.
Walikuwa na teza, so after a while wakarudi hivi ndani, mimi nikatoroka, nikajificha. So walikuwa wanataka kuniham na hiyo teza, na walikuwa pia na mawe,
wizi imejaa sana, sio hapa peke yake, kila pahali. Sasa tunaomba serikali itusaidie, security iwe tight.
Abanyanyimbo b'oburindi bane nigo babete bagusaganwa nabo igogotigerwa chingoma chintindi maega y'abantu batamanyiri gutarira ensemo asibabegete oburindi kurengana n'abamenye b'ensemo yo nigo baenekya okunsana no kukwabere gokwenekigwa anene asensemo yo kuya amadini eyetenene ne kampuni ya Shanta sensemeri Kolomani county ya Kakamega nanyana bo nigo babere bakubuli abarayikora Semecho weswana nigati nabigo kweneke mnango gaya nabali enganeyo.
Tulikuwa mwendo wa saa 1 nilikuwa nimeingia kazi, nilikuwa na pikipiki, nilikuwa nimepaka hapo kwa machine. So vile tulikuwa tunafanya kazi saa 3 kuna vijana wakakuja wakatufamia, wameharibu vitu, wakachoma hata pikipiki yangu ilikuwa ndani, na hata masoja wetu wenye tulikuwa nao wamewaumiza wengine.
Kufunga kazi kama kawaida, tukaenda Makwetu. Saa usiku nasikia makelele, punduki, napigiwa simu, watu wamevamiwa kwenye side, askari wenye wanalinda side, na vitu zimeharibika kule.
Benye hii kazi ilianza, kuna wenye walikubali, kuna wenye wamekataa. Sasa sisi wachache wetu walikubali juu kuna wenye wako na shamba kubwa, kuna wenye wako na shamba ndogo. Hasa wenye wako na shamba kubwa ndio walikubali. Sisi tukasema wafanya kazi. So wenye walikuwa kiendelea kufanya kazi, kuna wenye walikataa. Hasa wenye walikataa ndio walikuja kuharibu vitu kwa site. Na hao wenye walikataa, wenye walikuja hata villagers wote sisi
Magiga hiyo muswada boko mwaka isiko mukonyi bomurayi bwinse Rigathi Gachagua kobe kwa bose obwebunge nigo liberera lyage siasa ligendete kwenekigwa okwana mubunge Mili Odhiambo nigaberega komochia egati yabarayikurwa asenseme ya Kenya Kwanza asaberega kwenekibwa na Raila Odinga nigabeteka kubwatanigwa ne serikali ya Kenya Kwanza anene ase ogosirwa gochikonyora gosikorwanirira ekirgo ky'obonyakirgo ase Chinsa cyobo wa Africa nanyana bo nigo aberega kuboli abarayikora sensemeli ya Kenya Kwanza utatumika Raila Bobeli nde kwenyorera amabaga ase serikali.
And our brothers and sisters from Mount Kenya told us musiguze mlima, and we agreed. We were not guzaring mlima, but there is an unwritten rule that we don't guza it if you don't guza Raila Amolo Odinga. Yesterday, I heard my dear friend, Honorable Wambua, attacking Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga over the ongoing war. How Raila comes in, we don't understand, because the only focus of Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga is to get AU chairmanship.
Yes.
Unless she can tell us she wanted that position, yes, or whether the deputy president wanted that position. And none of them are shown interest in that position. Yes. And I want to tell our leaders from Central Kenya that time is gone when you would con your own backyards using Raila Amolo Odinga as a scarecrow. That you say that if you do Raila this, Raila that, and you get elected. It is now time to deliver on your mandates for you to be elected. You can see right behind us here, we've done an amazing TTI. If super people were to elect me, they'll elect me on my work. Yeah. Not because I have attacked another leader. Yeah. So I want to tell you, focus on your mandate on serving other people. And the same way we told you, you told us not to guza mlima, and we listened and we respected your opinion. Lakini kama umeguza Raila, sisi tunaguza mlima. You touch Raila, we touch. Like me, I did not sign that petition. The moment Wamaua touched Raila, I looked for the list and I've already signed. Because it's tit for tat is a fair game. If you want, talk to us nicely, because that war is not our war as a party. We don't know what agreements you got in behind the scenes. We don't know how those agreements helps Kenyan. We don't know nothing about them. So why you want to get us into a war that is not ours, Yelewi? And because of that, nime sign. And I want to encourage you, refrain, desist, and depart from attacking Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga.
And do the what?
Yes, I am going to whip Azimio members to sign. And if they want us to retreat, let them come out and publicly apologize for attacking Raila. You cannot attack Honorable Raila, who has done nothing. None of us has been attacking any of them. So when you come here, and it is not the first time I've had people attacking Honorable Raila. Na tumenyamaza. Ukiona tumenyamaza usidhani ati we have changed. Hatuja change. We will use our position to deal with you perpendicularly if you joke with us. So please, don't leave Raila Amolo Odinga out of this issue. Leave us out of this issue. It's not our business. We are not interested.
In terms of the impeachment motion, we are elected as leaders to represent, oversight, and also to legislate. That is our mandate. We work on the ground.
Emirovelio yokumurusia abisi omuraibuense Dr. William Ruto nigo yabereke gochaka bene ase babere bakweroberia bwikiro nuko bwati alichiko naboigo ekatiba ya Kenya usanga nabaliki bamangana nigo babere bakoerera naki ogoturubana kwa berego kwa nikigwa asense ya Kenya anene ase abanta bange babere bagosiria obuguma bwabo kubwatikana nukorobekana asokwa merelia obokoleri bwe serikali nonya nabo nigo yaberege kwa nikiyabuna nigo abange babere bakogosereriwa amagimabo nabange kubora asinchira etabwenereti.
So this morning I've done a censure motion against President William Ruto. The main thrust of that motion first is based on the constitution and constitutional breaches which has been conducted in this country. Mostly is a requirement under our standing orders 101 subsection 1 whereby if you want to discuss the conduct of the president or deputy president or a judge or any state officer, then you've got to approach the Senate through that standing order and then go on to cite the constitutional provisions. The main thrust of my petition and censure motion is that there has been abductions and killings in the country. The president is the chairperson of security committee in the country and therefore must know and is briefed on every single security detail of the country. Up to now, there are still missing Kenyans following demonstrations. Quite a number were killed by police and others brutalized, are still recovering in hospitals. And there are quite a number of bodies uncollected at the city morgue and many other mortuaries in the country for people who were killed by police during the demonstration. That has not been accounted for, and that responsibility is squarely on the president. There are also allegations of lack of public participation in the country, whereby laws just floor the house, come to the house and flow out of it, go for a signature at State House without public participation. And mainly of it is SHIF, they are done deal, SHA, all that. There has been no proper public consultation, proper public participation, and therefore it should be discussed because it is affecting Kenyans in a very big way. It is changing the lives of Kenyans, and there is a need for Senate to discuss that particular matter and show its displeasure about it so that those laws can be rectified, while the same I'm aware are also there are court applications to deal with the same. In relation to DP Kanchagwa, if they withdraw the motion, that is upon them. We still say there are no grounds with which.
Mwanchi umurigeria kurwa sorbo tioroni ona ikiro moelio boku mulikira mangana magia asebire biga kulinde toska tonyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mange ningo yaletera senchira eyobwenye nabakwenda gotubwatia Chinsa mochiche mitandao sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net maige kamera soko nekibuna ebichana boigelio giria gokira sole asenchira ya bene nere Lydia Mose bakubwaterana nere Masela Nyanchira iriane Kerubo Fridah twara obuligereria orobia.